I put some bird feed out there on the ground, and the little birds are coming. I don't know what they are though. Birds appear different. I can't see them. There's something moving. It's hard to see. I think that tree is cute, but I put it up underneath that limb so in case the cats come. Well, he's down there. I don't know if you can see him. Cute little fella. Don't know what he is or she is. I used to know the name of the birds, but looks like he's eating corn. There is some corn. Oh, there's another little bird. You see him? Where is it? Let's see. Where is he? Blends in really good. Good camo. There he is. There's one. There's another one down there somewhere. I love watching birds. I guess Iowa birds are different from Georgia birds. The other bird feed I put out there has got corn too, just in case squirrels. I don't know what was growing on that little tree, but if you know the name of the bird, let me know. It's as clear as I could get. I'm on the inside looking out the window and it's fogging up. The other day there was a bird. It's sort of about the size of a wren, and he had a white breast and a black cap and a dark brown on its wings and back. Don't know what it was though. Birds are so pretty. I love things that fly, except for flies. Like dragonflies, beetles. There's that bird I was telling you about. It's got white breast. No, that ain't it. He ain't got a black hat. What is that? Maybe that's the female of the one I saw. We bought some bird feeders, but I got to adjust it. I got to move the hooks back because water from the roof will run over it. Probably get the food wet. Anyway, there's a lot of cats around here. I was told that all these abandoned trailers have a lot of cats under them.